Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the portable air conditioning Frigidaire 10,000 BTU. Let's do it. First I proceed to cut up the plastic strips that are holding the box together. The base of the box is now attached to the upper part. Now I proceed to pull up the box. As I say, the bottom part is not attached to it. Now on the video you can see the electrical cord from the AC unit is held up by something inside the box. So I proceed to open up the upper part of the box carefully. When I open it, I saw that there is a styrofoam that is holding the electrical cord. I proceed to remove the styrofoam, which is holding also the exhaust pipe. And inside the exhaust pipe, there are some other items, such as a hose, the screws that I have on my hand, and other parts. I'm gonna get to that later. Now I'm gonna remove the bag that is protecting the AC unit. Inside the box I found this vent that holds the exhaust pipe. This goes on the window. Also I found the bag that contains the user manual, the control remote, and the registration for the product with the company. This little bag with the screws, hose, foam for the window, the exhaust pipe, and of course the AC unit. I proceed to remove the plastic that protects the AC unit, and I check under it if there is something else to remove. Opening up the bag, I found the control remote for the AC unit. Also, we find two AA batteries for the control remote, the user manual, which is in Spanish, English, and French, and the registration card of the new appliance. This was the unboxing of the portable AC unit Frigidaire 10,000 BTU.